Welcome to Redline Review. It is anticipated that the Bugatti truck VIP Motorhome will have a performance that is comparable to that of a hypercar and deliver an ultra-luxurious mobile lifestyle when it is manufactured in the year 2026. Despite the fact that Bugatti has not provided any statement, there have been a number of speculative designs and collaborations that speculate on the possibility of a recreational vehicle bearing the Bugatti name. The design and outer look of the product. It is reasonable to expect that the Bugatti truck VIP Motorhome will be a vehicle that is both athletic and aerodynamic. Bugatti automobiles are distinguished from other autos on the market by two distinguishing characteristics: flowing lines and a horseshoe-shaped grille. The construction is both sturdy and lightweight due to the utilization of cutting-edge materials such as carbon fiber rather than more conventional materials. Performance and fuel economy are both improved as a result of the reduction in drag that is brought about by aerodynamic efficiency increases. In addition to the interior of the building, the facilities incorporating lavish living areas that are ornamented with polished wood, unusual linens, and magnificent leather furnishings is one of the characteristics that might be implemented into the luxurious interior design. There are characteristics of the modern kitchen that include high-end equipment and plenty of storage space, inventive approaches to climate management, entertainment, and the incorporation of smart home technologies, and an extravagant bedroom that serves as a warm hideaway for resting. Both capabilities and effectiveness, in their own right and in their own order. According to the performance history of Bugatti, the possibility exists that the recreational vehicle, RV, will be equipped with a potent hybrid drivetrain that is capable of producing a significant amount of torque and horsepower. A comfortable ride on a variety of terrains is guaranteed by the utilization of cutting-edge suspension technology from the manufacturer. The greater stability and traction that come with all-wheel drive are only two of the many benefits that it offers. In order to attain its off-road capabilities, the vehicle is equipped with features such as increased traction control and a high ground clearance. With respect to the cost and the availability, due to the fact that this idea is hypothetical, our understanding of its availability and pricing is still insufficient at this point. Nevertheless, due to the fact that Bugatti is such a well-known brand, the price of such a recreational vehicle would most likely end up being several $million. In spite of the fact that it is currently simply a concept, the 2026 Bugatti truck VIP Motorhome provides the greatest performance and style for individuals who have the goal of living a life of mobility. Bugatti would revolutionize the market for leisure vehicles with its exceptional engineering, unsurpassed comfort, and unmatched design. If this shift were to take place, Bugatti would be the primary force behind it.